Good day, everybody. John Henderson here at the Beverage Ramble, back again with you. Been a while, a lot going on, and as always in my life. Anyhow, today we're doing Smirnoff Ice Smash Screwdriver, 8%. This is part of the Smirnoff Ice Smash line. They have a couple of others. They have a margarita. Well, the Smirnoff Ice Smash. They have this. They have a mango flavor, peach mango combination, strawberry pineapple combination, a couple of others. And then when you look at the Smirnoff Ice, the bottle, not the Smash, but just the ice itself, have the original, the black cherry, the grape, margarita, and the mango. So this is all in line, of course, all these popular fruit-flavored style beverages with enormous amounts of alcohol. Well, not enormous amounts of alcohol, but some alcohol. There's church in the background, music here in the background. So here's what it looks like. Not too bad. Yeah. Of course, Smirnoff is a very popular vodka brand, known for their vodkas and flavored vodkas, of course. I very rarely do these beverages. Very rarely, but not much going on there's a lot going on in the beer community, but much of this don't really get to try or sample. I haven't been able to get to sample, but Oktoberfests are out now. Well, they've been out since early this month, but now more so. What else we got going on? On the Oktoberfest, you have there's this couple of pale ales that I've seen I want to try. So there's a lot of different things going on, but I will pick some up this week, I guess. I don't know. It's been a crazy year. 2020 has just been a really mucked up year. I ain't say the word F, but mucked up. And you take the M, muck, and put F, and you know what I mean. But it's been hell. So, but you got to go through it, live through it, and live and tell about it. So, anyway, cinnamon orange immediately. I had this in the refrigerator for 2 days now. On the top of the refrigerator, it's pretty ice cold. On the back side of it, I ain't put it in the freezer, but probably the best to put in the freezer. Here we go. Everybody would know what a screwdriver is. It's a vodka and orange juice. Yeah, this is better really, really ice cold. But like I said, I've had it in that back of that freezer for days and days and days. Flavorful. Nice. Clean. Now this, I don't know, maybe some sugar cane using in this. I'm guessing that they do premium malt beverage with natural flavors certified. Brewed and bottled by Smirnoff, Plainfield, Illinois. Of course, where Smirnoff is located. Board on date. It's fresh. September 6, 2020. So it's fresh. still not gonna have in the morning. On a Sunday morning going to brunch, I mean, you can have this, but this is something I'm gonna sample with some eggs and bacon and prime rib. Wash it, guzzle this down. You know, some toast. This would be a good breakfast starter. Yeah, so fruity again. The Cayman's Jack, I recently did one. That one, for whatever reason, had a little bit more booze in it. For whatever the reason, that had a better flavor. I felt this one does, but I think maybe just needs a little bit more booze. Yeah, he's promoting more alcohol. Yeah, I am. The orange flavor, it doesn't feel like it's 8%, but orange flavor is there. Got the maybe some tangerine, but it's a nice little mix of it. I'm not a big hard liquor person, even though I will have some samples. I will do shots. I don't know, vodka, spirits, and me don't go hand in hand. I mean, the old rule is if you're going to be drinking, make sure you stick to one thing that night. You know, don't just flutter off into saying, yeah, I'm having wine, and then, hey, we're going to go have some shots to this, or hey, I'm going to have, try an IPA here. You know, bad things happen. So I'm getting to that firm rule now. I would say I will get to that rule. Stick to one drink the night for that night, and don't waver off of it. But sometimes things don't go always as planned. It just doesn't. So yeah. So anyway, it's good, enjoyable, nice. Malt beverage is what it is. But again, I think it's kind of a bit weak. Yeah, that Cayman's Jack really did something to me, man. It was really good, and I liked it a lot. It really was a lot of great flavor. But this one could probably use a little bit more. You can infuse it if you want to. I would have even. So. I don't do the hard sodas, the hard seltzers and whatnot. They're popular now, and this is what it is. Again, they're reaching with these styles that we're seeing over the last 5-6 years, maybe decade, I would say. You're hitting the point of looking for the that kind of appeal to the crowd who like the hard liquors, or appealing to the crowd who like who are being, again, very conscious about what they're putting into their bodies. That they're, I guess now with the sober movement we've seen last year or so, there was these sober, non-alcoholic bars that were very popular. They were getting, wanting to make sure that I'm not overdoing it, but I want something that's going to be good for me. I love to drink this up, but I think something that's going to be very good for me health-wise. And this, and also competing with the wine drinkers. That's what you're competing with. So you see these styles, White Crawl now is very popular. I personally could care less for. I had one. I'm like, no, thank you for me. But they're popular, so listen. Hear what the consumer wants. The companies will try to make it and appease as best they can to the consumer. And sometimes with great success, sometimes not so much. So, but again, these things I avoid. But again, I saw it for the price. It was like $1.10, and I said I'll pick one up. So there you go. But won't go on right now. So for what it is, for a malt beverage, I'm gonna go with an A- on this one. Very flavorful, good, but again, my only down point is that it needs a little bit more booze to kind of give it a little upper notch essence of goodness and deliciousness and all that. So A- for the Smirnoff Ice Smash Screwdriver, 8%. Try it. You like it? Maybe. Yeah. Yay. John Henderson Pierre, the Beverage Ramble here, and keep on watching. As always, cheers. Live, laugh, and love. Ice, baby, smash ice, ice.